Elder Kurt here, and today I'm gonna show you a cool CMD command. So here it is. So I will show you how you can change the color of the text on your CMD command. So here's how to do that. You can just type um, color slash. So it will now give you, remember that color and the forward slash. Oh, then you can see the attribute of each color. So the 0 is black, so I want to change my text color on my command to one of my favorite is this. Just type this color and the attribute. So I would like to change it to light green, so color A, and then I will hit the enter. So there you have it. Or maybe I would like to change it to pure green, so color 2. There, you'll now have a green, pure green color. Or I will change it to bright white, so color, which is the attribute for the bright white, is the F, so F. There you have it. So that's it, and thanks.